Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Android updated and some free storage. Open Settings, go to Apps, find Carrier Services, and force Stop It Now. Once done, clear its cache and storage to remove temporary glitches. Make sure not to clear data yet, that's next. Reboot the phone after force stop and cache clear so system processes restart cleanly. This resets transient errors and prepares the app for a fresh update or reset without unnecessary data loss. Once the device is fresh, open Play Store and update Carrier Services. Newer builds often fix crashes. If updating fails or doesn't help, clear the app's data in Settings to remove corrupted settings. You will lose app-specific preferences, but not system function. If still crashing, uninstall updates or uninstall/reinstall the app to reset its package. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or mobile data enabled during reinstall so dependencies download. These steps to finish, perform a network reset to restore APN and carrier defaults. This removes misconfigured network profiles that can crash carrier services. Once done, reboot and verify the SIM shows correct signal and carrier. If issues persist, reinsert the SIM and check for carrier settings updates from your operator. As a troubleshooting tip, if nothing fixes it, capture a bug report or app logs and contact your carrier or device maker with those logs so they can trace the failure. This gets expert help.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.